Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of the things that we see at Ignite that might be useful or that people might like to have in Windows 11. One of them that is missed and that a lot of people like on Windows 10 is that when there's the calendar flyout, it's also your appointment calendar. You can click on the date, you can set a meeting, you can do something. Unfortunately, the calendar flyout in Windows 11 was really a huge step back. It's a calendar, you know what date it is. You can refer to it to see, whenever a date is going to be, what day is going to be. The problem is, calendar flyout doesn't do anything else. It's just a calendar. So Microsoft at the Ignite conference said that it is working on a huge calendar upgrade. It will be different, and hopefully they will let you once again, like on Windows 10, click and add, appointments or anything that you want to add in there, which I think is the way to go, basically. And so we'll see what happens next. It's, of course, one of those features that they will be pushing in the early months of 2026. But I know that this is one of the major features. When you look at the Feedback Hub, a calendar where you can actually put your appointments is something that people want. They love the way it was done on Windows 10. So this is going to be interesting to see if they make it right or do it right, because definitely that's a good idea. I've used on Windows 10 the calendar flyout so many times to put appointments of things that I needed to check out in the future so I don't forget, and put alarms and everything to let you know. That was a sad calendar when I first saw Windows 11, and hopefully the improvement will be worth the wait. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.